This video will go over a side hustle that can bring you as much as $50 an hour. And the steps needed to get started and do well in a side hustle anyone can do. We'll be going over the website userinterviews.com and how to use it to make as much as $50 an hour. The site offers paid studies on many different subjects. Studies can be conducted online as well as in person, with new studies being offered daily. Signing up is quick and simple and can take as little as 5 minutes. Afterwards, you will be able to immediately start signing up for studies that interest you. Participants can browse online studies to find the type that best suits their interests or schedules. Survey types can be online or in person to include tests, surveys, interviews, diary studies, focus groups and studies. After successful completion of a survey, you will receive payment by your choice of either a Visa virtual gift card or an Amazon gift card. Gift cards can be used immediately upon delivery. The link in the description will get you started, as well as provide an additional payment of $10 upon the verified completion of your first survey. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to be notified of all future videos.